In the ancient book of Joel, a prophecy unfolds, a vision of devastation and renewal. Locusts, swarming in countless numbers, descend upon the land of Judah, leaving it barren and desolate. But even in this dark hour, the Lord calls his people to repentance, promising restoration and hope. As the people of Judah turned their hearts back to God, his promise came to life. God said he would repay them for the years the locusts had eaten. Even when the enemy's attacks seem overwhelming, God's mercy and restoration are greater. In the book of Esther, we witness another story of intervention and courage. Esther, a Jewish queen, faced the wicked plans of Haman, who sought to destroy her people. But through fasting, prayer, and divine intervention, Esther found favor before the king. Haman's plot was exposed, and the very gallows he had built for Mordecai became his own fate. God's justice prevailed, and the Jewish people were saved. Esther's bravery and Mordecai's faithfulness remind us that God sees and delivers his people, even in the face of great evil. From the invasion of locusts to the schemes of Haman, God's power to restore and protect is unfailing. He turns mourning into dancing, despair into hope. When we stand in faith, God is faithful to deliver. Join us for more inspiring biblical stories. Follow us on Instagram at TOLUTEACHS and join our community on WhatsApp for deeper discussions. Let's grow together in faith and understanding. Links are in the description below. God bless you.